In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can erase a Lenovo laptop. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this works the exact same on both Windows 10 and Windows 11, but essentially you need to find the search bar down at the very bottom, select it and type in reset this PC and go ahead and select it to open up a page that looks something like this. Once you're in this page, and of course you can also access this through settings by going to settings, system and recovery. You just need to hit reset PC and then choose between either keeping your files if you want to keep your personal data or removing everything if you want to fully wipe the laptop. Since we're erasing everything, we're going to choose remove everything. And then from here, pick how you want to reinstall Windows. You can either do this through a cloud download, which means you're reinstalling Windows through the internet, or local reinstall, which essentially just means that you're using files already on the device. Either one of these options will work, so choose whatever one works best for you. But then from here, hit next and confirm, and then from here, your Lenovo laptop will begin restarting and erasing all of your data. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.